Hey, we about to make our debut right now. Here, here.
Yeah, we're on stage.
Hey, what's the job?
Here we go. Thank you, sir. In the building.
Alright, we over here at the 100 yen sushi. Say what's up, man. Met up with the fellow Foolish Mastermind.
Back in the building, you know, we Japan now. That's how we do.
Oh.
Yo!
Yeah, get one. You had to grab the whole thing though. Oh no, no, I mean don't grab the whole thing. Never mind.
Why
You leave that.
Why you setting me up? Yo, this dude's trying to set me up.
Alright, go ahead, man. Try it.
Alright, man.
This is good. It has basil sauce on it.
What's the fish?
I don't know. No, this is a salmon.
Are you still my chopstick?
Alright. Oh, you got one too? What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, that's octopus.
It looks like octopus or squid.
Oh man, trooper right there.
Alright.
I got some up too. Alright, man.
Alright, my food's here. See that?
Yo, let's get turned, yo! Hey!
Another one.
Yo, what's going on right now? Yo.
Look, Eric's at a sushi restaurant and he's eating a pineapple.
Man, it was on the conveyor belt, man. Don't worry.
Yeah, get that.
Get the eel, man.
Get the eel.
Get the eel.
Look, he got the eel.
He's the man.
And you were eating a pineapple.
It tastes good. I haven't had pineapple in years.
I got the good stuff though. Let me get a good view.
America, you guys need to invest in one of these
Whoa. Move
sushi
here.
bars.
The eel is a little fishy.
This is a good view right here. How you like Japan so far?
Oh man, it's copacetic. The locals treat me well. You know, showing your boy love.
You got that green tea matcha.
I'm not sure I got waffle from, man. They told me
Go
to get
pro.
a cup. Some good ice cream. They hating on me, man. Skittles? Skittles? Yo, check it. Get it back! Alright, Mike. Do a regular kick, man. I can't bend down. Alright, let's see.
Foolish Masterminds.
Yeah,
we out
in
here.
the building. What is this?
Japan edition.
Blue Seal.
Lace up.
Stop.
Lace up. No, it's still going.
Oh.
We out here in the Oki. Yeah, you already know.
Alright, so.
Lace up.
Okay, we go.
Get back, you don't know me like that. Get back, you don't know me like that. Okay.
And they want to know what's in my cup. Don't worry about it.
Look at this
It's all good.
ashy boy.
Man.
Look at you looking like a.
Man, I'm just trying to make it out here in Japan, man. Japan! I love you, Japan!
I see you.
Damn. I thought you couldn't see.
Record me now.
Yo, are you from the Hidden Leaf Village?
I'm from that sneaker nation.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Oh man. Yo,
We had the Foolish Masterminds conference meeting.
2017.
Let me spit a freestyle.
Go ahead, man.
Check it out. I gave her my Dragon Balls. She don't even know how to go over. Make it what she said.
All right. I see you.
Oh,
I see you, E-Money.
yeah. I ain't a rapper though.
Yo, where you at?
Yo. See, they call me Determinex, but I'm Determinator. I come to your house and then I'm like, see you later. See, I can do what I want, say what I want, and be who I want. You over here just like, come on, can I just get a croissant? Shut your croissant, little. You see, I'm like Goku fused with Vegeta. Call me Gogeta. You see, I'm like Naruto fused with Sasuke. I'll be over here be like, Rasengan! And then if you Eric 2.0.
Yo, check it. They call me E-Money, E-Man, whatever you want to call me though. I'm killing it on this freaking GoPro, yo. I'm in Okinawa, this my city though. Yo, GoPro, go ahead and stop the video.
See, I'm chillin', always like a villain, and you see how I'm feeling it. I know I'm worth $1 million. Chillin' with my boy Eric, singing on stage. You know I'm over here chillin', got all good days. See, I'm over here on TAD. I'm over here feeling like I am the MVP of the rap game. See, I always sing at the ocean breeze. See me, I'm so sick, I gotta sneeze.
Shout out to the release.
Yo, Mike, why does dude look like how you used to a year ago? You know I'm a master flow because I got that video.
Yo, that's like your homeboy.
Yo,
Hey. Alright. Yo, shout out Jacksonville.